In this video, we'll look at how to convert an editable text to curves. So first, let's create a new text. Let's select the text tool and then click on the canvas. Now let me write something like hello, okay? And after writing hello, let me increase the size of the shape like so. So this is our text. So in order to convert this text into a curves, select the text, right click on the text, and then click on convert to curves. As soon as we click on convert to curves, now the text has been converted to curves, and you can see the node tool being selected as soon as we convert the text to curves. Now, if we select individual letters, then you can see points for each individual letters, which we can tweak and make changes to. However, I'll undo it. We can also select each individual letters like so, and then tweak few of the curves and create something. So this is how we can convert an editable text to curves and edit its geometrical shapes and points in Affinity. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button. And to get more updates or get more tips and tricks about Affinity in the future, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.